The event brings together leaders in early childhood education, ECE, from the 4 member states of the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, OECS, Dominica, Grenada, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The primary goal of the ECE Forum is to provide comprehensive support to leaders in early childhood education within the OECS Pearl framework. Pearl, which stands for Promoting Education and Research in Early Childhood Education and Special Education Needs, SEN, in the OECS, aims to enhance the quality of and access to ECE and SEN programs. The focal point of the 2024 ECE Leadership Forum is understanding and supporting young children with autism spectrum disorder. This component seeks to improve the quality of early childhood education and special education needs programs. National Coordinator for the OECS Pearl in Grenada, Astra Mackenzie, spoke of the importance of such a forum.
The leaders themselves have indicated that we needed to pay a little more attention to how we support students who need additional support in classrooms. Sometimes we call them those students with special education needs, and we agreed that we needed to spend some time to dig deep so that they can assist parents, families, and school communities to support these children. After all, we're talking about ensuring that every learner has the opportunity to succeed. So we want to create the enabling environment to facilitate that, and this forum is one of those activities that helps us to achieve that.
Charmaine Christopher, Deputy Chief Education Officer in Grenada, says that at the end of the forum, each participant will develop a plan to be implemented in their workplace.
The forum involves the other 4 islands. So we have Dominica, St. Lucia, St. Vincent participants, and we are actually joining virtually to have the keynote speaker. So there are some face-to-face sessions and then also some virtual sessions. At the end of the 2-day session, the teachers would have developed a plan, okay? And we want the teachers to take back this plan to their school so that they can start implementation. Because with information gathered today, we want our teachers to use the information to better support parents and also their colleagues in the classroom. So they have a responsibility to also share with parents and also share with the other teachers at the school.
The forum will delve into the 37 recommendations outlined in the OECS Special Needs Assessment 2023, addressing key challenges and opportunities in the region. Judy Ann Auld, Deputy Chief Education Officer with responsibility for special education, gave an insight into the discussion thus far.
Well, it was a really interactive session this morning. The teachers have a lot to share because they're actually dealing with the students on a day-to-day basis. So they're experiencing it, they're seeing things that they have not seen before, because as we know that we're having a lot more students displaying autistic tendencies. So they were able to share some of the things that they've been seeing in their classroom. They've been able to share best practices as to how best to support students, and most importantly, they're coming up with great suggestions as to how we can engage parents and empower parents to be able to support the children at home. Because we have early childhood educators, we have people from Ministry of Health, we have the early carers, caregivers. So I think it's very fitting that we pull all of these people together.
The forum is expected to have a lasting impact on the education landscape of the member states, ensuring the well-being and development of the youngest member of society. The forum commenced today, Tuesday, and will be concluded on Wednesday. Rena Thomas, GBN News.